Welcome to Raj Technologies. Myself Raj. We are going to start a new full stack Java online batch, and we are going to start this batch from 27th November at 6 a.m. IST. Let us understand more about this course. In order to join this full stack Java developer course, it's an online batch. The prerequisite to join this course is you should have a basic operating system concepts and basic idea on software programming. So operating system concepts like a simple basic idea how to use Windows, how to use Mac OS, or how to make use of Linux operating system. Just creating files, creating folders. You should be able to explore the files. That's enough over here. And a basic idea on software programming, a basic idea on coding. And that is also not mandatory. However, we are going to start from scratch in this course. And the course content, we have divided this course in the form of modules. Like in module 1, we discuss core Java. Module 2, we go with the database concepts using MySQL database. Module 3, we discuss web technologies. Module 4, advanced Java. Module 5, frameworks like Hibernate, Spring Boot, Microservices. And module 6, we discuss real-time tools. And module 7, we go with the project. And project we develop by using Spring Boot and Angular. That is, the backend we develop using Spring Boot and the front end we develop using Angular. And we are going to make use of database MySQL. Let me elaborate more about these modules. Initially, we go with module 1, that is core Java. And the contents what we are going to discuss in this core Java is, initially we go with these programming concepts. Whenever you want to learn any programming language, we should have a basic idea on this programming concepts. Like what is the meaning of program, what is keywords, variables, data types, and how to write method, function, return type concept. All those things we are going to discuss in this programming concepts. Then we go with Java introduction, and we'll be learning how to download and install Java and how to download and install Eclipse IDE. And we'll be developing a Java application at command prompt or terminal, and we'll be even developing a application using Eclipse IDE. Once we complete this download and install and how to develop applications, we move to the next one, Java Basics, where we learn the basic concepts of Java programming, like the meaning of keywords, variables, data types, operators. We go with control statements like if statement, switch statement, while loop, do while loop, for loop, like that. And we do more of programming in this Java Basics. And once we start with Java Basics, I'm going to give the assignment also, which you need to do and submit it back. And that once we complete Java Basics, we go with arrays. And once we complete arrays, we go with object-oriented programming, where we discuss how to create a class in Java, how to create objects, constructors, inheritance, polymorphism. Then we go with access modifiers, encapsulation, abstract classes, interfaces, like that. Very, very important topic of Java, object-oriented programming. Then once we complete this object-oriented, we go with the LAN package, where we discuss some of the important classes present in LAN package like object class, string buffer class, math class, string builder class, and even we discuss about wrapper classes. Then exception handling, it's mainly to make our application robust. To develop strong applications, we make use of exception handling to avoid abnormal termination of the application. Then the important topics like we discuss multi-threading, collections, functional interfaces, lambda expressions, and stream API. And even we go with IO package, input output package, in order to create data files on your hard disk. Once we complete this module 1, we go with the next module, module 2, database concepts using MySQL, where we'll be learning the SQL concepts using MySQL. We'll be even seeing how to download and install MySQL database on our operating system. Then we'll be learning the DDL commands like creating table, altering the table, dropping the table, We go with DML commands like insert, update and delete the records present in the table. Then DQL command, that select command we are going to discuss, and we go with the TCL commands, transaction control language commands like commit, rollback. These all commands we are going to discuss under MySQL. Then module 3, very important one. This is mainly for the front end part. The main use of going with web technologies is to display the content onto the web browser. In our course, we will be learning the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Bootstrap. Even we go with XML and JSON. And finally, very important one, Angular. And module 4, Advanced Java, or even we say Java EE Enterprise Edition, where we discuss about JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. We go with Servlets and JSP, Java Server Pages. And the next important module, very important, frameworks, where in our course we are going to see the frameworks like Hibernate Framework, Spring Framework. Under Spring, we go with the Spring Core module and IOC module. And very important, nowadays many developers are using this Spring Boot. So we'll be doing more of Spring Boot. In order to understand Spring Boot, we initially discuss Spring Framework as an introduction. Then we develop all Spring applications using Spring Boot, where we'll be understanding about Spring Boot introduction and Spring Boot starters. And we go with the modules like Spring DAO module, where we discuss about Spring JDBC module and Spring Data JPA module. We go with the Spring MVC module. It's mainly used to develop web applications. Spring REST module to develop REST APIs. It's mainly for distributed applications. We even discuss microservices, the meaning of API gateway, how to configure this Eureka server for going with service registry. We discuss all these concepts like API gateway, Eureka server and service registry. We'll be discussing about admin server, Fion client to communicate between the services. Then module 6, we are going to discuss some of the very important real-time tools which we use during our development, like Maven tool. We go with Project Lombok tool. We discuss about GitHub tool. We discuss about Log4j. We go with JNet tool, and we go with Postman. It's mainly used to test our REST APIs, Postman tool. And finally, module 7, where we are going to develop a project using Spring Boot and Angular. And the duration of this complete course is 3 months. And you can attend first 5 classes for free. After attending 5 classes only, you can go for the payment. And we are going to start the new batch from 27th November at 6 AM IST. And for more details about the course, like the fee details, all those things, you can contact our WhatsApp number 93904-73579, or you can even send a mail to us, that is rajtechonlinetrainings@gmail.com. You can send a WhatsApp message to know more about this course, like fee details, and in order to get the GoToMeeting link to join the classes, you can send a WhatsApp message to us. We'll take care of the remaining communication. For any other queries also, you can contact us. Thank you very much.